Where's the, oh. No, I'm going down. This one. Oh, they're glass. Go to pee? Guess it's the parking level, I guess. Press 2. Okay, here we go. Oh, these feel fast. Alright, here we go.
Going up.
That one's busted, or it could be used as a service. Alright, here we go.
First floor.
That was cool.
Going down.
Send you off. There's one interior one right there. That's the one used as a service. Oh, we got one already. This one. Here it is. Maybe. Did it? Ow. It rang, but it didn't show up. And the drop is still visible, so you still can't, it's still not here yet. What the heck are those? I don't know, maybe, oh, you can see the airfield, look at that. Here's the airfield. You can see a plane taking off. Oh, here we go. I got one. All right, we'll go to P. Watch. Here we go. I feel like there are more hidden elevators in like the low-rise section. You can see there's like smaller areas. There's like the Sky Beach Club. There might be an elevator over there. I'll check. And then we just go underground.
Going up.
I guess this is where the parking levels are. That's an interior one. Quick cab view. So they're a lot like the other tower, but just glass. And then there's an interior one on 18, but we're not gonna get it. They're probably just identical. There it goes, and that's it.